Hello guys, good afternoon. All right, so a quick one. In this video, I want to show us or teach us how to cut Agbada for our clients. Now, I know most of you must have been having this challenge on how to cut Agbada, right? And then the first thing you need to know is that Agbada has different lengths and styles. It has different patterns, but you need to learn the basic before you could learn the general or the other styles, right? So the first thing to note is that Agbada measurement has only two areas of measurement. The first is the shoulder, which includes the sleeve, and the next is the length, which is recommended to be somewhere at the calf, up after the knee, right? Now, all these things are dependent on your client's choice and what he wants. So, in this first illustration, the measurement is gotten from the shoulder. That's if you measure from the center back of your shoulder, of your neck here, then you go all through to the point where he wants the sleeve to reach. In most cases, it is often a three-quarter point here, somewhere here. So once you get that measurement all through to this place, you have to multiply the result or the answer by 2. And then the next thing to do is to measure from the shoulder here down to where he wants it to reach. It is always somewhere at the calf, at the after the knee, before the ankle, right? In between that distance. So when you have learned this, now you start cutting. Now for a standard size, the yardage or the yards needed is 3 yards. 3 yards of fabric for all adult standard Agbada that stops on the elbow and stops on the calf. So you have to measure out 3 yards of your fabric. That's 3 yards, 36 into 3, right? And bear in mind that you must use a fabric that is by 60. That's a fabric that has a this 60 length. So once you have gotten that 3 yards, then there are other steps as well to take. Now, some Agbada do have embroidering, some have stoning, some don't have at all, some have different designs. But the regular Agbada we know has embroidery, right? So, in most cases, the neckline of the Agbada is being cut by the tailor or the designer. But oftentimes, the people that do the embroidering prefer to cut it by themselves. So, you watch this video to the very end and make sure you follow me to see the whole cutting processes. So I have cut out my 3 yards of this yardage. All I did was measure out 36 inches into 3. I cut it out, and then the length is the 60 inches, which this comes with. So that is what I am going to work with. So now this is 3 yards. Let me show you very well. This is 3 yards of fabric, right? And this length is fixed. This is 60 inches. That's 60, right? And then here is the 3 yards, 1 yard, 2 yards, and then the third yard. So once you have cut it out, you have to fold it the other way around in this form. So it comes out to be double length in this form. So this will be where it will reach somewhere here. The folding will come up, right? So I will now take this to where I am making the embroidering for them to fix it for me. I will now come back and do the stitching. So stick around. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, so that I will know that you are learning a lot from my illustrations. So see you in the next clip, which is the continuation of this video.
Alright guys, so now I've arrived where I am doing my embroidering. So the first thing to do here is to notch the center points of the outfit. Now this center point is the center of both the length and the width. Now the embroidering guy has already made the embroidering. I told him the colors I need, black background with a peach design. So he has already made it. So it's now time for him to fix it. So this embroidering will be placed at the center point of the outfit. Of course, you should know, you should be at the center. Now he notched the midpoint, then there was an ironing to indicate the midpoint of the outfit so that the embroidering will not be one-sided, like will not tilt to one side. So now when he has gotten the middle, now there will be need to pin this embroidering. So you have to pin it on the body of the fabric, right? So the pinning should be done strategically where it will hold it all through. You see how I placed that midpoint? Now, after the pinning has been done, then he will now use a black thread and place it in a zigzag form and then go right round the whole piece, right? He will go right round the whole embroidery. It will be a double threading from every angle. So he will stitch it down in order to lock it all through. So after that, I will now tear off the neckline to enable it come out. So this method is actually okay when you are not sure of the size. So those people that do the embroidering know the neck width they use in creating the opening, as long as you have shown them the design you want. So you can just adopt the method and cut the fabric in 3 yards and give them to help you place it. So this will solve you a lot of stress in calculating the neckline. So after the cutting now, I will carefully trim it out, and then the next video you will see will be on the folding, which will come after this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next episode.